Chapter 7: Portfolio Policy for the Enterprising Investor, the Positive Side. The enterprising investor, by definition, will devote a fair amount of his attention and efforts toward obtaining a better than run-of-the-mill investment result. In our discussion of general investment policy, we have made some suggestions regarding bond investments that are addressed chiefly to the enterprising investor. He might be interested in special opportunities of the following kinds. 1. Tax-free new housing authority bonds effectively guaranteed by the United States government. 2. Taxable but high-yielding new community bonds, also guaranteed by the United States government. 3. Tax-free industrial bonds issued by municipalities but serviced by lease payments made by strong corporations. References have been made to these unusual types of bond issues in Chapter 4. At the other end of the spectrum, there may be lower quality bonds obtainable at such low prices as to constitute true bargain opportunities. But these would belong in the special situation area, where no true distinction exists between bonds and common stocks.